Welcome back to the ChatGPT sign up step. So if you are already registered or have an account, so you can skip this step and continue with the deep dive with the dashboard. So now we are going to create a brand new account. So for doing it, so let's come to the screen. So once you write on Google OpenAI, so you can see here openai.com, this is the website. So simply you will click to this website and it will take you to the main screen of the website. So for doing it, so for signing up with this, you will scroll down, you can simply click to the ChatGPT, which is for everyone. So you will click to this everyone, it will bring you to this screen. So this is a, let's say, detail page of ChatGPT on openai.com website. So starting the application on the browser itself, as they have an application on desktop and mobile as well, you will simply click to the start now. So once you click to the start now, it will bring you to the sign up page. So it's saying you welcome, login or sign up. So we need to sign up as a brand new account. So I will click to the sign up, and then it will bring you to the screen where I need to select that how you want to create an account. You directly type an email or sign up with the Google. I will be signing up with the Google account. So I have already selected my account which I wanted to use with. So I will set up the name which I want to use. Here I want to use my this name, Anas Iqbal, and then I have to select the date which I want to select with, um, simply, and then you agree to the terms and conditions. So once you agree to the terms and conditions, it will be the next step that it will bring you to the main screen of this. So it's saying you tips for getting started. So these are the tips that you can ask and don't share. Like you can you can ask the answers, like anything you want to discuss with this, and it will be brainstorm as per your account is saying. Like, and don't share sensitive information, like you do not share your card details, your passwords and things like that while communicating to the chat gpt itself. And check the facts, like sometime, like unintentionally there is inaccurate information maybe come up with the chat gpt, so you need to know that some information might be. So that's how we have already signed up an account with the chat gpt, and then we will walk through in detail about the dashboard and the features and the interface of the chat gpt in the next lecture. So see you in the next slide. Thank you.